Welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade. In today's video, we're going to learn about how to insert a table in Autocad. So it is like very simple. You just have to type the command table and press enter, and after that, the insert table dialog box will appear. So it has a ton of options that you have to select from, and for you can just pause the screen and take a screenshot of the settings because it is very easy. Okay, so first come first, it comes with a table style which has to be set at standard. It also you can also import styles from Excel, which I will cover in the next video. If you want to know, then comment and share the video. And the second option comes is the insert option. So we will start from empty tables. So basically these are empty tables that we fill information in, and if you want a table to be inserted directly which has data, you have to select from a data link, which is actually a link of an Excel file basically. Then the preview of the table should always be on, and the next is the insertion behavior. So in that you have to select specify intersection point. Basically that means that wherever you click for the table will appear and start from there. And then last, the most simple, the number of rows and the number of columns that you want in your table in AutoCAD. You just have to see this, check this, and you just have to press OK. After pressing OK, you just have to click on the screen wherever you want your table to be, and your table will be right over here, and you can easily write anything in that after that. So we're writing just cat comrade, and this is how you insert a table in AutoCAD. So if you like the video, then share it with someone who may need it, and thank you.